Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Brandy and I'm here with another video. And in today's video, we're going to do a lifestyle video. I'm going to show you some little tips on how you can use accessories to spruce up your dining room. This is part 1, and part 2 will be sprucing up your bedroom. So not a complete makeover, but some things that you can make it look a whole lot different. So, but if you're new to this channel, thanks for tuning in and watching. And if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and ring the bell so you can get all the latest in video uploads and the tea on what's going on beauty, fashion, makeup, and lifestyle. But let's get right into this video. First, we're going to do a tour of my dining room. Now, my dining room, I don't like a lot of things cluttering in, so it's very open, limited things. But I just wanted a little pop of something in here, just add something. So, but you can help me out. You can tell me if there's a couple other things that you think would look nice in here, and we'll see if we can work it in. But let's take a little mini tour of the dining room. We're going to start with this wall sconce right here, made of seashells. And let's go around. That's the wall. And we'll go around. And now these are the things we're going to be using. I'm going to be using some plants over here and these covers that I got from Amazon. And I'll show you what those look like. But let's finish the tour up without breaking anything. Here's the table and chair. We have a blind, a little bit of accessories on the table. And that's the console with Buddha, some candles, mirrors. We got a little zen going because I like, be relaxed in my house. And there's the bar. We got some placemats, green, and on the ground. Let's see if we can get that. Let's see if we can get that there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is the vase in green. So I do like this green and brown vibe. Anything that's earthy, I like earth tones. So I like blues, greens, beiges, wood color. So, and I like everything. I don't like everything that's matchy. I like throw in a couple things that, just make it look eclectic. And so we're going to start off with this plant, nice green, lush plant. And the color is already green, but we're going to turn over to the bar area. And so in the bar area, when I first got here, they had the house stage with a plant here. And so that's what we're going to do. We're going to put that back, which gives the lens a little color to the bar area. Second, we're going to take these stool covers that I got from Amazon.com, which have this pretty palm color on it. Now you're like, what are these? Let's get a close-up. This is actually all it is. Let's turn it. It's nothing but a piece of material that somebody decided that they can, and this is actually the bottom, this is the top, that you can cover your chairs, whether it be your dining chairs or your stools, and make it look like a whole new look. So let's try one out. Let's get these turned around, and we'll start. And I think these were 2 in a pack for $16.99 or something like that. And you basically just pull it over the stool, and it has a gather so it won't come off. It's like a slip cover. Pull it over, make sure it's nice and neat. Tuck it in, and voila. Let's bring it over so you can see. It's a whole new chair. Now, if I didn't tell you, and you didn't see all of this, you would think this was a whole new chair in my house. Let's get the string off. Whole new look. So it gets a whole new vibe. All right, so let's try the other chair. And let's move this off to the side so we can see that one more time. Forgive the noise. All right. So again, this is what it looks like. Just looks like a tube. It looks like a dress, actually. And so all I did was take it, and it's a stretchy material, so it's stretched. They're washable, so you can wash these. If they get dirty, throw them in the wash machine, dry them. And say you don't want to buy new chairs, but you want a new look. So you don't want to break the budget, go buy new stuff. You just want a whole new look to your house. And so we pull it down and bam, new chair. So we want to slide this back over. So now we got a whole new look. Let's make sure that's nice and neat. A whole new look. Put the other one back to our bar area. And let's get this out. So now we've had, and let's pull back so we can see. Voila, a whole new look. Really pretty. It pops up the color. It brings out the green in the room. And let's see, you got that green vase down there that's giving it that vibe too. So just a pop of color. All right, so now let's go over to this wall area over here. Now this is normally where I put my Christmas tree, so let's get it. It's a nice little corner. Put my Christmas tree in there every year. Nothing. So what we're gonna do is I have 2 planter baskets. One, we're gonna turn it upside down. So let's take that over there. Put it in the corner. And this heavy palm tree. Now, we got some color added in there. Voila. Perfecto. So now I've added a whole new look to my dining room. And as you can see, that just added a nice little flavor. I'm going to bring it over so you can actually see. Now, that's what it looks like in the corner. So that's a full view. Well, hold on. You might can't see past this chair. So let's put the chair in so we can actually see. And that just adds color to it. So I actually highlighted the green. There's a green throw rug. We got the green candles on the console. We got the green on the chairs over there. And then we got the green vase. So I'm going to get you a vibe so you can see that. And so this gives it a whole new look. So the only thing that I'm missing, you guys, the only thing I'm missing is this wall here. So let's go back to this wall. All right, and let's take a look at the wall. Let's get you back focused. Okay, so this is the wall. And my thought was, and you tell me if this is your thought as well, tell me what you think should go on this wall. Now, I'm thinking about adding, if I can find, you see you have nothing down here, maybe some tall giraffes or some, no, not giraffes, elephants, because I do have an elephant on the console. So let me know what you think would go down here. Some vases or some bamboo baskets, but a couple things just to add to this wall. But overall, all right, now here is the finished look. There's the green vase. There are the pretty seat covers. And you can get a close-up look at them. Super cute. There's the plant to pop out the color. And then let's go over here. And we might want to do something in that corner, not quite sure. But here's the look of the table, the pictures, the pretty palm in the corner. And so this just gives it a whole new look. We got our blind, and we'll come back around so you guys can see that's the palm tree. And that just pops the corner. Really pretty. More plants. That's another look with the green, and then you saw my box there. And what we're working with is trying to figure out what else we could put on this wall. So if you guys can leave your comments and suggestions below on what I should put over there. I want to do maybe some very tall giraffes, maybe a bamboo basket to go on the wall just to add a pop of color. But this is a way you can spruce it up. Again, the seat covers are from Amazon.com. They were 2 in a pack for $16.99. The plant my daughter bought for 10 bucks at the local grocery store, and everything else was in here, but it just adds a new look. And then I'll show you guys a look before and a look after. So this is the after look. This is what it looked like before. Same thing, chairs, a lot of woodsy, nothing in the corner. There's your carpet, that's our green. And then we have sconce on the wall. And basically, this is what it looked before I put the green in. So, a whole complete look. Okay, and that's pretty much the end of the video. And I showed you the before and the after. And it was just a couple of things that I used, a couple accessories to spruce up the room to make it look more inviting, bring out that green in the room and get it a whole new look. So I didn't break the bank by going out and buying a ton of things. It was just merely roughly 50 bucks. But for that wall in that corner, you guys, I want you to give me some suggestions on what you think I should put there. I'm thinking maybe some elephants just on the wall or in the corner, just to give it a little extra, just so it doesn't look barren in certain spaces. So let me know, leave that below. And this is part 1, and part 2, we're going to actually do the bedroom. I'm going to show you a few things just to spruce up your bedroom. Flip it over. So this is basically a flip. Flip it from old to new. So that's what we're going to do. Flip it from old to new. Not trying to break the bank. So if you have any more suggestions, like I said, leave them below and we'll see what we can work out. Maybe you have something in your home that you want to flip over and make it look new, and we can all pitch in and give you some suggestions on what you can do for your own space. But if you're looking for any more tips in beauty and fashion and makeup and lifestyle, stay tuned to my channel and give me a thumbs up, like, share with friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Love you. See you. Bye.